Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to our first video of 2024. I have two of my favorite Barbie dolls today and we are going to try on Dollar Tree winter outfits. I have skiing and I have snowboarding, and I liked these because they have the little clips for the shoes. And when I was little, I had a ski set like this. It wasn't authentic Barbie either, and I absolutely loved it. Snowboarding was around when I was a kid, but I wasn't really interested in it. Whereas I was a skier. I did cross-country skiing, which is why I was very attracted to this set, and I really wanted to try it on my dolls, sorry. Now the outfits, again, I can already see they are really, this is just your traditional Dollar Tree fashion doll outfit. The stitching is really bad on the outfits, but I really want the accessories. And I'm really impressed with the fact that they have helmets. This outfit looks a bit better, but we'll see. And of course, we have the two dolls, so they have the two different feet. We have our flat foot and our traditional heel. And we have our bent arms and our straight arms. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get right into this and just open them up. I am actually going to save this one for last because I have a feeling it's going to be my favorite. Let's just get right into it. So for the Dollar Tree has gone up in price in Canada. So now this is no longer $1.25. This is $1.50 to $2, depending on what the store has it priced at. In the US, this would still be $1.25. But you got shoes, a snowboard, a helmet, and this really kind of cool looking snowsuit, you know, providing it fits. Let's get it right open. First thing, look at the helmet. It's soft. Oh, I like that. Look at that. It's soft. It's got some really nice detail. And, oh, this is really good. Look at that, how it opens and closes. I like this. At one point before we cleared out some of the Barbie stuff in my house, we had a helmet very similar to this. It came with a Barbie scooter. This one I actually like better for kids. It's softer. If you look at that, I like that. Okay. And oh, they've changed how they put this in. Now there's tape. Yay. There's a lot of tape. There is the sticky tape. There is the snowboard, and without the shoes, it's not going to fit. She's going to slide off. So she absolutely, oh, unless you do that, put some shoes. I wish I had some snow outside. We got a little bit of snow last night, but not enough to do anything with, so I can't even take these Barbies out to go play in the snow, which I would love to do. This is a lot of tape. And I always find it funny that no matter what, we always get the star shoe. Now I know these shoes are not going to fit her because she's got the flat feet, but we can try on the outfit anyway. So much tape. When did they start with all the tape? Like, this is, oh, can you hear that? This is some really sticky tape. I don't like that. I also don't like the, listen, I thought this one was going to be my favorite. It almost sounds like it's like, oh, come on. All right, let's just try it on and get her all. Look, you can you see the holes shining through right here? Oh my goodness. You know, if you're going to raise the price, Dollar Tree, a little bit of a better quality. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Okay. These, whoa. Okay, these might be a better fit for a Stacy or a Skipper doll. Probably a Stacy for the smaller waistline. There's no way this is going to fit anything other than a traditional stereotypical Barbie's waist. Look at the length. I mean, who's going out to play in the snow in pants? I mean, they're not even. Oh my gosh, guys. They're not even the right length. Whatever. This is the part that I wanted. Just like with this set, I really just wanted the chef apron. I kind of just want the jacket from this one. But let's try it on. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Maybe they should start marketing these as Stacy sets because look at, and I didn't bring the Stacy doll with me. I should do that. Look. Okay. So the outfit alone, the pants, no. Just like the chef one. I really do love this one. It's all about the top. It's got the zipper, the pretend zipper, the two colors, the shoulder seams. This is a really nice top. The pants are absolute garbage. We already know that. And the shoes are not going to fit her. Which is, I mean, okay. No, you know what? They do fit her. Maybe it's the shoes. You know what? It's been so long since we've done one of these. The shoes fit the flat feet Barbie. That means that they won't fit on her. She might not be able to go skiing. Oh, no. Okay, let's try the snowboard now. All right, look at that. That's a much better fit. And let's put the helmet on and let's see. Oh, she just lost the snowboard. Isn't it good that it's a rubbery helmet? All right, Barbie, you look good. Is that the right way? I think so. Do you know what else this would be good for if you have roller skates or ice skates for your Barbies? Look at that. Oh, I had it and I didn't. She's got way too much hair, guys. Way too much hair. There. Okay. All right. On this outfit, the pants are a no. The top is always my favorite for some reason in these Dollar Tree ones, and the snowboard. So for under $1.50 or under $2, I would say just ditch the pants, keep the snowboard, keep the shirt, keep the helmet. Let's move on to what's hopefully my favorite, the ski set. So again, we have the shoes. They're always the shoes, pants, top, and this much weirder, almost seems hard helmet. Let's get this one open. Oh, goodness, it's more tape. It is more tape. That's a hard helmet. Do you hear that? Is it going to fit on her head? Okay. All right. Well, the helmet fits. Can you see the crack? Oh, my goodness. All right. So she's got her helmet. That's a start. Oh, the paint, the tape, guys, the tape. So if you are getting these for children, I would maybe help them. Does this one have a tag? It's got a tag. Barbie clothes used to have a tag. That's how collectors collected them. Like, oh, did you hear that? Better material. But, like, are they trying to save money and that's why they've made them into short pants? Oh, there's just so much tape. There's the skis and the poles. I'm really hoping we get snow where I am because I want to take these dolls out and go play in the snow. Go outside with my daughter and play with them. Let's get this doll all dolled up. I'm going to take off her purple pants. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, let's get her dressed. This one, look at that. There's no Velcro. We are expected to pull that over her head. Helmet off. Is it going to pull over her head? That's a snug fit. That is a snug fit. Okay. Oh my goodness. I think it's a good thing she has some bendy arms. Okay. Well, we might be able to do this. Look at the cheap there. See it? They couldn't even finish the stitching. Well, look at the stretch. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm thinking a little bit of Velcro would have helped. All in all, other than the cheap cutting here, I like the shirt. Let's get the pants. I mean, better quality, fewer holes, but you can see the stitching right there. At least they stretch. Okay, we'll get her pants on. Oh my goodness. Come on, my Barbie doll. There we go. So this does not scream, I am going skiing. This looks like she's ready to paint a house. This is a much nicer winter jacket. And this, I mean, I think, oops, maybe they could have done this type of helmet. And instead of the weird shoes, maybe ski goggles. Do you see how when I put it on, see the crack coming right here? Is it her? See the crack? There, right there. This helmet is much better. Is she going to be able to wear the shoes? I don't think she's going to be able to wear the shoes. No. Oh, maybe. No, her feet won't be flat. All right, well, we'll try anyway. Boots would be nice for winter attire ones too, right? Like, come on, Dollar Tree. Now let's get the ski on. Oh, I love that. Did you see that? Look at that. Let's do this one. Toe in, heel in. See the toe cap? And now she has to lay on an angle because she's got flat feet. Doesn't have flat feet. Look at that. She can ski. She can ski. Oh, I want to take her outside. This could also be a fun pool set because she could... I just realized there's nothing for her to hold on to. They don't have the little, you know, the little plastic loop that would allow your Barbie to hold on. Oh, this is not going to be fun. But she can ski. Okay, I was right. This one totally for the win. There's her skis. Look at her sideways. I wish, you know what? I should have brought a made-to-move Barbie. That way her knees could bend. I should have done a lot of things differently today, huh, guys? So there is her ski poles. Let me know in the comments which one of these is your favorite. I love the outfit on this one, but I love the skis. I wish the handles had that little hoop that goes here so that we could hold them into her hands. But the skis are a win for me. So the skis and the top from this one with the helmet. I'm glad I bought both. That is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye guys.